Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to trade on IK option with this script and how to trade pocket option Cortex with this script. Okay, IK option just used for this script, and you can trade on pocket option Cortex use this script. Okay, and if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel for next update and next indicator and script download link. Okay, and if you not create best binary box option broker account and best forex broker account, link in description box, simply click and sign up and start forex and binary trading. Okay, and this is a script. This script who can use this script? Okay, this script used for just expert people, just for confirmation. Okay, expert is a who some trading knowledge, who is people some trading knowledge, they are trading easily this script. Okay, so let's start trading with this script and confirmation. Script and indicator just confirmation. Okay, you have great some trading knowledge. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and